What's going on, guys? So what we got going on here is we're cooking up some fish and we're cooking up some shrimp. These shrimps right here have been marinating in this mango habanero type of stuff, which should be good. Should add some good flavor to it all. So see what's going on here. When I like the beer batter, I like to put things in with pancake batter, and I just add beer to it, and then we're good to go. So you know, I don't have exact measures for anything. We just kind of eyeball everything. So we'll throw a bunch of pancake batter in there, and we'll just add some beer. So we got some Oktoberfest here. Got this from a work event at some point. Thank you to the lawyer who sent that to me. But Spaten Oktoberfest, just kind of add it in there. Add a whole bunch to it. Probably a whole bottle. More the merrier, right? Hi, Maya. It's my little niece back there. And then we'll whisk it, and then I'll catch back up with you when we have the right consistency. So just gonna mix this bad boy, and if we need more beer, I'll add more beer. It's about the right consistency, but we need a little more batter for how much stuff we're cooking. So I'll add more in there, and we'll add more beer. Add more pancake mix, add more beer. Nothing wrong with more beer, right? Hell yeah!
And this one is the Optimer by Spaten. Hope it's good. Who knows? We'll see. Ooh, that one's chocolatey smell.
What do you think beer pancakes would taste like? Beer. That's about the right consistency right there, guys. That's what we like to see. I'll add some garlic powder to it, some salt and pepper, and it should be good to go. So. Ain't nothing wrong with a little garlic. Maybe a little more beer. Ain't nothing wrong with a little garlic. And then a little more beer. One thing you always want to have, guys, is a cooling rack. That way, your fish and your shrimp don't wind up soggy. So we'll do this. And for all you lazy people out there, if you put a towel underneath it, you don't have to clean as much. There's the shrimp and the batter. We'll throw some fish in there too. And everybody is happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy. Putting some of the I pre-cut the tog into little slices, and that way they're good for tacos. So little tog going in. It's a full bowl of. I hope this turns out good, because if it doesn't, oh well. It's just everyone's gonna go hungry tonight. Just kidding. Hey guys, so something you want to do when you're getting ready to cook is, if you know that you're waiting for your oil to get hot, take a little bit on your finger, drop it in. It's not ready yet. Maybe it is. It's got to start to sizzle on you. When it starts sizzling, you know it's ready. It's not ready yet. I'm going to turn on the fan here, so you're not going to be able to hear a lot of what I'm saying, so I might speak louder. Oh. Gonna use this little guy in here to fish the bad boys out. Still waiting for our oil to heat up here, guys. Still waiting on that oilage. You can see I put a little testers in there, and they're not really sizzling yet. You could do another tester. Yeah, they're not where I want it to be yet. Most important part about this type of cooking is having your oil hot. If your oil's not hot, you're not gonna get what you want. You're gonna get soggy fish and shrimps. Give this a whirl now, guys. So I'm gonna take a shrimp out of here. And you don't wanna just throw it in there. You wanna take the shrimp, give it a little swirl around first. Let's see if this works. Hopefully. Yeah, looks like it's cooking. I want it hotter. Oh, no, it's cooking. It's cooking, it's getting there. It's not really frying yet. We're gonna give it a while. A little bit of longer time to get hot. So that's not what we want right there. It should be having a lot of bubbles coming off of it. It's not ready yet. Yeah, that's not what you want, guys. That shrimp's gonna probably come out a bit soggy. So we'll leave them in there for a while. Alright guys, it looks like the oil's getting there now. I'm gonna start throwing a couple more in there, see what happens. What you have to realize is when you put these shrimp in there, the temperature of the oil also drops quite a bit. So you swirl them around so it doesn't stick to the bottom, and then just drop them in there. Hit off some of the excess, take your shrimpy dip, swirl them in there. And you see, they'll start to float, which is nice, so they don't stick to the bottoms. Grab another shrimpy dip. Hit off some of the excess. Bada bing, bada boom. This one is not my favorite looking one. But that's the first one we put in there. Got a piece of fish to throw in there too. Let's throw that bad boy in there. This is a piece that I dropped them in there. Don't want to do that. So if you drop them in there by accident, you want to give him a little nudge so he starts to float. And he'll start to float. Don't worry, he'll start to float. See that right there? He's floating. Not liking the temperature of the oil, so before I throw more in, I'm gonna let it get hotter. Don't forget the season. So what we're looking for is a golden brown on these bad boys right here. Like I said, the oil's not quite as hot as I want it to be yet, so we're getting there. Drop a couple more in now. It's starting to fire up here. It is what it is. All right, so you know, like, look here, we got these shrimps. They're starting to get golden brown. That's really what you want them to look like. That's when we'll start pulling them out. You know, move everything around in here. That way they don't stick together. But overall, this is the kind of the look you want on your shrimps when you pull them out. And then once you pull them out, you throw a little salt on them. Bada bing, bada boom. You throw them in a taco. They taste amazing. We'll put some more in there. Get everything moving around. That fish looks awesome. Oh man.
Yeah, deep fry your finger.
Oh, 100%. Ah! That fish looks awesome. A little bit of tog. Pull them out. That shrimp looks good. Yes, try this one. It's a little bit cooler. Good?
Wow. I gotta tell you.
So you just gotta keep moving your shrimp around. You see we got a plate of shrimp over here, we got some tog over here, some shrimp over there. Surprisingly, the batter, the marinade we put on the shrimp came through after we put it in the batter. I was afraid it was gonna come off, but it tastes good. As a chef, you gotta sneak a little peeks, you know, you gotta eat a little piece. So, tastes good. We'll catch up with you in a little bit, but that is looking beautiful. Here we have is the final product. You're gonna throw it in a taco, and it should be good, but boy does it look delicious. Hey guys, so made my tacos here, got a little sour cream on them, got a little pickled onions, which I didn't show in the video, but got some shrimp, got some tog. Always gotta have Louisiana Crystal hot sauce to finish with. That was a lot. Whoops. Put a little on each one. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe. Love you guys. Remember, stay happy.